Number one, I think I need to, I need to say bye-bye. Yeah. Because the time is 2:17. And tomorrow, I need to wake up tomorrow early, guys, because I need to find Ayla shoes for, I need to find Ayla shoes tomorrow. So I need to wake up tomorrow early. I need to buy Ayla shoes. Chinese shoes. Chinese shoes. Because, guys, Ayla is, is, have have in school. Aray ko. So, she wearing a Chinese dress. She wearing a Chinese dress and, Monday, Tuesday, and Tuesday. She wearing a Chinese dress in school and Tuesday because of the celebration of UN, United Nations. So Ayla is wearing a Chinese dress. So she don't have a ticket or maybe to the tawag dun, to buy a Chinese shoes. Chinese shoes. Hmm. It's a Chinese dress for Ayla. I borrow to my